Good morning, class 1. So today we'll do some addition based on stories, or we can call it sum based on stories. Okay, we have to solve the equation based on the stories given below. So the first question, so here is the story. Okay, Armand had 5 candies. Okay, so his mother gave him 3 candies more. So first Armand has 5 candies with him. Then his mother gave him 3 more candies. So now he has total number of candies will be, so if we add 5 by 3 we get 8 over here. Okay, so total number of candies in all is 8, and he gave away 7 candies to his sister, and after giving it to her, how many candies he left? So Arman has only 1 candy left with him. How come 1? If we minus 7 from here, if we minus 7 from 8, there will remain only 1 candies. So the first one is being solved for you. The next question, you have to solve it by your own. Okay, so next, so Smriti has 12 toys. She gave away 6 to her cousin sister, and Smriti is left with dash toys. Okay, after that Smriti's mother got her 3 more toys. Now she has toys in all. So you have to calculate. Okay, first Smriti has 12 toys with her, and she gave away her 6 toys to her cousin sister. So if you minus 12 from 6 from 12, you will get how much? You have to write it over there. Okay, Smriti is left with how many toys? You have to write it here, and you need to add when few toys, when Smriti's mother got 3 more toys. So if how many toys we left here, we have to add 3 to it. Okay, after adding 3, now you have to write the totals. Okay, total number of toys, how many toys does she have in total? You have to write it over here. Okay, so this will be the question, and I'll give you one more question related with it. Okay, so next question, Myra bought 15 pencils. She lost 4 pencils. Now she has how many pencils? You have to write it over there. She used up 1 pencil. She is left with then how many pencils? Her father got her 3 pencils more. She has total of dash pencils. So it's very simple. This one is when Myra bought 15 pencils, she lost 4 of her pencils. So if we minus 15 from 4, you have to write it here. Now she has dash pencils, means how many pencils does she have left with her. Okay, after that she used up 1 pencil, and we have to minus from there. We have to minus 1 from there. Okay, after subtracting how many pencils were left with her, you have to write it here. Okay, and her father got her 3 more pencils. Now you have to add from here how many pencils left with her. You have to add 3 to it, so that will be the total number of pencils. Okay, so try to solve it by your own. Okay, first read the story and try to solve it by your own. Don't take any help. Okay, that's all for today. You need to solve this question for today. Okay, thank you very much.